I'm Anjum Rohra. Today I'm here to demonstrate my Dash application which depicts the IT salary survey from the years 2018 to 2020. So here goes my code. So first I have imported all the necessary libraries like the Potty, Dash, which I'm going to use in my code. And then second step, I have imported the three data sets from the years 2018 to 2020. After that, I have imputed all the missing values in my data sets. So first is the 2020 imputation. I have replaced all the null values, all the numerical null values by the mean and the categorical values by the mode. Then comes a 2018 imputation, 2018 data imputation, and finally 2019 data imputation. After imputing all the null values in all the three data sets, I have finally created the Dash application. So these are the steps to create the Dash application. First I have designed all the components which I'll be requiring in my application. So like first these there are two drop down menus in my application, and finally after that the output figure. So this is the callback function, which is a decorator. It is a most important component of the Dash application which connects my code with the application. So if I select any option in the drop down, it should display the proper output. So finally, if I run this application, if I run this code, I will a link will be generated, which is the link to my application. So this is my Dash application for my IT survey salary report. So these are the two drop down. So first drop down is for the years 2018, 19 and 20, and second drop down is all the parameters which I need to display in the figure output, as a graphical output. So if I select the year 2018, and suppose I wish to see the gender ratio of the respondents who have responded to the survey. So if I click on gender, I will be getting the pie chart which depicts the gender information. So it shows that 86.3% of the respondents are male and 13.7% of the respondents are female. So similarly, if I click on city, so I get to know that in 2018 majority of the respondents were from the city of Berlin and München. And similarly, if I select main language at work, then I come to know that majority of the employees or the respondents prefer to speak in English during the work hours. And the seniority level, it is seen that the majority of the respondents belong to the level of senior, and the minority and very few respondents belong to the level of junior. Similarly, if we want to see the data for 2019, we can select 2019 from the drop down menu, and whatever data we wish to see, we can just select the parameter, and the output graph will be displayed after selecting the parameter. So that's it with my application. Thank you.